at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions and I'm sitting with Chris Smith having a brew, a Rosie Lee, a cuppa, a nice enjoyable hot drink. But Chris, you've got some fantastic finance deals at the moment, haven't you?
We have, Lindsay, and currently we're offering a no deposit option with 3 months without payment. We're going to have some great interest rates for people, and we're going to also include a 3 years warranty with this. We're going to carry it on until the end of this year.
So they've only got until the end of this year to get involved with this deal.
Yes.
Now, what deal is this on everything that you bring?
It's going to cover the range of machines that we do, from the claws in workshop machines, all the manual lathes that we do. People know about the Students, the Triumphs, and so on. The Alpha range of hybrid machines.
Okay.
The Typhoon turning centres, the Storm machining centres, and right across our range of laser marking machines as well.
Including automation as well?
Yes, if automation is part of a turnkey, then we'll certainly include that as well.
And a lot of these machines are all in stock, right?
Yes, a lot of the machines are in stock, ready to go.
There you go. So if you want a fantastic deal on a new machine from Colchester Machine Tool Solutions, make sure you're getting in touch.